This is inside the, I'm sorry, my camera went out of focus. There we go. Inside the new subway station at the World Trade Center. And I tell you, this place is absolutely, phenomenal. What a great job they did. Can't really see it there, but there, see? There's the tower. I know it's, I guess you can't really see it with a camera, I'm sorry. But that's the World Trade Center tower right there. A lot of stores here. Great air conditioning. And just really a fun place to hang out. But I got a subway train I gotta catch. I'll see you guys later.